Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for stopping by to watch another one of my videos. In today's video, I have the pleasure of working with Asteria hair. So this is everything that came in my package. They sent me out their 26-inch deep wave lace frontal wig. This wig does come with adjustable straps as well as combs. So for this wig, I did go in and actually customize the hairline to match my hairline. So with this one, it does come over my hairline, so it makes my forehead smaller. I do have a video on the process. If any of you are interested in that, I will link it somewhere in the video or in the description box if you're interested to see how I did that whole process. And then after I did that, I went in and bleached the knots and I plucked the hairline. And the knots on this wig bleached, they bleached nice. I could have went in for a second round if I had time to get the knots lighter. But for a first round, and I used, I think, 40 volume developer and BW2 bleach powder, it did pretty good. It did the job that I needed. But if I wanted to, I could have went in for a second round. The hairline or the knots on the wig, they plucked very nicely, so it wasn't hard to pluck this hairline. I didn't have to do too much tugging or pulling to get the hairline customized how I wanted, so I love that. And yeah, y'all, that was pretty much it. I went ahead and pre-styled it to my liking, so when I put it on, you're going to see it pretty much done. I just fluffed it up and you know, installed it or whatever. This time I did install my wig using glue. I used Bold Hold glue because, again, I wanted to leave this wig on for some days. So I did use Bold Hold glue to apply my wig. And how I did this, babe, the wig stayed on for days. So I love that. So that's my favorite glue to use. That's like the only one I use as of right now. But yeah, y'all, other than that, I love the wig. The texture is really, really pretty. Y'all know I love me some curly, deep, wavy hair. It got really, really big. I got so many compliments on this look and on this wig while I was out of town. So yeah, I love this look, y'all. I love this wig. So if you're interested in some good deep wave hair and some good quality wigs, definitely check out Asteria hair. I've worked with them before and I've actually purchased from them myself. I never had any bad experiences with them. Of course, do your research. Don't let my opinions be the end all be all you go by if you're looking for some opinions. But for me, I've had no issues with Asteria hair, and I would definitely purchase from them and work with them again. So yeah, y'all, I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. I again want to thank Asteria hair for allowing me to try out their wig. I really appreciate it, and I want to thank y'all so much for watching another one of my videos and rocking with me as long as you have. I love y'all so much. I'm gonna talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.
Brown sugar, babe. I guess high on your love, I don't know how to be your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off the love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar. Some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Brown sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nonchalant, but I think I'm here to solo. Who my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I think y'all hear. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar, babe. I want some of your brown sugar. Show me your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Give me some of your brown sugar, babe. Sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nonchalant, but I think I'm here to solo. Who my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I think y'all hear. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar, babe. I want some of your brown sugar. Show me your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Give some of your brown sugar, babe. To me. That's why my eyes are a shade bloodburst. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I get so high off your love, I don't know how to be your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I get high off the love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar. Some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. How the story goes, brown sugar got me open. Now I want some more. Always down for all my nonsense, but I think I'm here to solo. Who my niggas don't want. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I think y'all here. Brown sugar, babe. I get high off of love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar, babe. I want some of your brown sugar. Show me your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Some of your brown sugar.